Hi everyone, we're going to create something quite stunning. I'm going to put a ponytail at the back. I've taken two sections out at the front and I'm going to put a hairnet on there and I'm going to create a beautiful shape, whatever I want to create. Bring the front back, grip the front in left and right, just like this. There we go. Do the same on the opposite side. Now, split each of these off into two even sections. Okay, like that. Put one at the front. Do the same on either side. Now all the tails that are left there, you're just going to have fun crisscrossing them in lots and lots of different ways. Lots of different patterns. You could use hair pieces on this to get lots of different colours, or if the hair's coloured it would look beautiful. There we go. Now what you're going to do once you get to the end of all of that is you're going to take the tails you've taken out and you're going to start to wrap them. I'm going to wrap one all the way around, picking up all the tails, and the other one coming back around. This is a fantastic hairstyle. For the full tutorial, just become a member today of my Access Long Hair Members Club.